Okay, see. Programming classification. In the last class, I have discussed about the programming classification. Sequential programs we have done. As per the sheet, there are 10 programs based on sequential execution. Second category of the programming is conditional programming. For the conditional programming, we basically use if else, okay, ladder if, nested if, and if with the logical operator. So one by one, we will see all this cover. Then after that, we will cover the iteration based programs. Iteration based program means in which some loopings are involved. So if we talk about the other programming language like Java, C, C++, C Sharp, so there are 3 loops: while, do while, and for. But in this, do while loop is not there. Okay. While loop, for loop, and the for with membership operator, like for I in LST, for I in dict, for I in tuple, like that. Okay. So how to use the if? The very important point is that if, then condition, then after that we have to put a colon. When you will press the colon, our cursor will not be placed over here. Look at the position of the cursor. The cursor will become on this position. Understand? If your cursor is placing on this position, that means you are outside from the if. But if your cursor is placing on this position, that means you are inside if. This is called, this is very important. What is this? This gap is called indentation. Okay. The indentation is equivalent to the braces which we have seen in the other programming language. So in this Python, there is no provision of brackets, opening bracket, closing brackets. So we create the blocks with the help of indentation. Okay, so indentation play a very important role here. Okay, 1 minute. Let me start the programming, then you will better understand. So where is the folder? I have created one folder in the D drive. Python International Programming. Here I just want to create a file, condition demo. CONDITION, condition demo. And the extension will be py. Py is the extension of Python. Okay. Let me double click on this. It will be automatically open in the Sublime. This is the editor. Hope you have downloaded and installed this editor. So which programs I want to cover? Write a program in the Python to input 2 numbers. Input 2 numbers and print which one is greater. Okay. So first of all, we have to input the 2 number. Input, enter first number, and b is equal to int, enter second number. Okay. Now 2 number has been input from the user. Now we have to check which one is greater. So for that we have to use if condition. If a greater than b, colon. When we place the colon, the cursor will shift it towards right. Iska matlab, the meaning of this cursor is that we are currently inside if. The greater number is comma a. Okay, now we cannot place else here. Okay, because if we place the else here, the else will be considered inside the if. Okay, so if is the another block, else is the another block. So we have to come back on the same level of else, same level of if, sorry, and we have to write else here. Then cursor is coming towards the right. That means we are inside else. The greater number is comma B. That's it. Let me save this. I've saved this program. Just I want to do a small dry run, very small dry run. Okay. A is 4. Suppose I have taken the A is 4 as an input and the value of B is 6. Let me check. A is greater than B. No, condition is false. When the condition false, then control immediately transfer to the else part. See, 4 is not greater than 6. So condition is false. So I will come to the else part. Then this statement will print the greater number is B, that is 6. Okay. I think someone is asking the question. Yes, else never get a parameter. Else cannot get the condition. Else is the default. By default section, if the condition is false, then automatically the else part will be executed. But you can put the condition in the else part. That is called elif. Elif can support the parameter. Someone is asking the question, so I'm replying. But the if cannot contain any condition or parameter. Elif can contain the parameter or condition. That we will see after the 2 questions. Don't worry. You can ask any question from any topic. I will try to reply. Okay. I've seen in the group most of the people are discussing tuples, most of the people are discussing list. Okay, that I will cover it, that we will come, but on a certain time. Okay. See. 14 assignments are totally based on list. Okay, 1 minute. Let me, yes. Anybody want to ask any question? Khan Dada? Let me run this code. Either you can type your query or you can directly speak. I don't have any problem. Yes, Khan Dada, please tell me. Okay. In the meanwhile, I just want to run this program. So I want to run this program condition demo. So are you able to see this bar? Look at this bar. Okay, just click on this bar. Just click on this bar. Again, I'm showing you. Just click on this bar and type CMD. You will be directly go to the DOS mode and in this directory. You don't need to change the directory. You will be directly goes to the directory Python International Program. I want to show you like that. See, no need to change the D drive. No need to change the command the Python International Programming manually. Manually, you are not supposed to change. You will be directly come on this. Okay, fine. Now, let me dir. It will show all the programs you have created. So today I want to run this program condition demo. So py con, only con, then tab. The program is asking the numbers 4, then 6, then the greater number is 6. A small program. No problem. 4 and 6. Let me run again. 108. 100 is written. Now. Okay, hope you understand. I want to slightly change this program. I want to print the number which is greater. And also I want to print which one is greater and how much greater. Do you understand? Suppose, according to this, 4 and 6, 6 is greater. Okay, that's okay, 6 is greater. But also we have to print how much 6 is greater to 4. 2 times. Understand? So for that, what we have to do? The number which is greater like 6. So for getting how much greater, we will reduce the 4 from 6. Then we will exactly know how much the greater number is greater from the lower number, from the smaller number. Okay, 1 minute, 1 second, I will show you. So this is the greater number. Print by comma a minus b. When the greater number is A, by means how much greater? So A minus B. I'm doing A minus B. So the greater number will be A and the lower number will be B. So greater minus smaller will be the difference. Here, by, comma, B minus. Understand? Because when the else part will be executed, then B will be greater. So we have to reduce the A from B. Here we have to reduce B from A. Let me run this code again. Okay. Suppose I have given the first number 4. The second number is 6. The greater number is 6 by 2. Means 2 times the 6 is greater than 2. Okay, fine. Each and every program is important. In the programming language, no program is smaller, no program is larger. Every program is important. This program is also important. And we have used this condition in the project also. Okay, so don't worry. Whatever we are learning in the present time, it is important. Whatever we will run after 10 or 20 days, that will also important. 90, 10. Understand? Okay. Very good, Oscar. He has asked a very good question. If the both value will be same, then answer will be 0. And the preference goes to the first number. Immediately I am replying. 10, 10. Okay. Sir, answer is 0. But can you please tell me which 10 is this printing? This one or this one? Both are same. But which 10 is this? First 10 or second 10?
Sir, first 10, I think. First
Second
10.
10. Second 10. Second 10. I want to show you how. Wait. This one. As a programmer, you have to consider all these things. I really like the cross questions and the proper interaction. See, I have taken A is 10 and B is also 10. Understand? So A is greater than B. Can you please check? A is greater than B? Sorry.
No, sir.
Sorry. It should be 10 now. Now let me check. A is greater than B?
No, sir.
No. That means the condition is false. And the control will transfer to
False,
the
yes, sir.
else part, right?
Else statement.
Yes. Very good. Okay. You all are very good student. And B means 10. And here B minus A, 10 minus 10 will be 0. But sir, I want to give the preference of the first number if both are same. Okay. So let me take greater than equal to B. Now the preference goes to the first number when both are same. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely fine. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Done. So this is all about if conditions. Okay. Questions are there. You can try. Now, if there is a single condition, that's okay. Let me take a print screen and sending in your group. Make a proper copy. After the 5 days, the copy inspection will be there. Okay. So if there is a single condition, that's okay. But sometimes what happens, there might be multiple conditions. So how to manage the multiple conditions? Let me clear all this drawing. Conditions. For managing the multiple conditions, there are some logical operators. How many logical operators are there? Number 1 is
sir, many.
And. Number 2 is or. Number 3 is not. These are the three logical operators. Okay. And, or, and not. And, or, and not. And, or. Okay. In which situation and will be used, in which situation or will be used. With and, all the conditions must be true. Then it will execute. For or is a very lenient operator in comparison to and. If any one condition is true, then it will operate. Operate. Or not is a different story. I will tell little bit later on. Okay. Yes, Manoj, very good. And or not. Sir, what about the preference and precedence? The very high precedence is not. Then and, then or. First not, then and, then or. Note down in your copy. The order and preference is very important. Okay. Now, suppose I'm just writing age is equal to 20 and experience is equal to 5. I'm putting a condition if age is greater than equal to 20 and experience less than 5. What output will come and why? Two things you have to reply. What output and why. Think about it. This is and.
So let us to see the code.
Age is 20, experience is 5. Now, according to the condition, what output will come and why? Think about it. Arpan is saying not admit.
Sir, please let me see the code.
This is code, yeah. This is code.
No, sir, I can see your page. What and why?
What output will come and why? See, age is how much?
No, sir. Yes, sir. It will admit show admit result will given.
It will print not admit. Wait, I want to show you. Age is 20, correct? Experience is 5. Age is greater than equal to 20? Yes. Condition is true. First condition is true. Now we have to check the second condition. Experience less than 5. Experience is exactly 5, not less than 5. So this condition is false. So on the basis of this condition, the overall condition will be considered as false. And the control will transfer to the else part, not admit will print. Understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not admit because age, no. Manoj, not admit due to EXP. Understand? Age is correct, but experience is not up to the condition. Save all. Let me check. Not admit. Okay? Not admit. Okay. Suppose I replace the and operator with or. Then you will better understand the difference between the and or. Then what will happen? then what will happen? Now the meaning is different.
Sir, it will print
Admit, right? It will print admit, right? Why? Because
yes,
first
sir.
condition is true. So on the basis of this condition, the overall condition can be considered as true. It doesn't matter if second condition is true or false. Only one condition or only required the one condition. That is I have given. That is I have given. Okay. So now what will happen? Sir, now admit will print. See, the admit is coming. Output is coming admit. Now be careful. Be careful and look at the code. I'm discussing another thing. Let me send in your group. Okay, 1 second. Wait. Can you please tell me the condition is true or false right now? Right now. Right now. The overall condition is true or false?
True, sir.
True. Very good. Very good. Now see what I'm going to do. Just I want to put a bracket. Here I also want to put a bracket. And putting not. Putting not. What not will do over here? 1 minute. First of all, bracket will be resolved. This condition is true. Or
Yes, sir.
condition is false. True or false? True or false, consider as true. Understand? In case of or, and before the true, not is there. So what not will do? Not just inverse the result which is coming inside bracket. So true is coming, the not will convert the true into
False.
false. Understand? So not admit will be print in this case. In this case, not admit will be print. Hope you understand. Okay. Let me show. Whatever we are thinking, deciding, it should be practically implemented. Okay. Fine. Understand? Now, can you please tell me what will happen right now?
Sir, the overall condition will be false and it will convert it into true. No,
Yes.
So it will print admit.
Absolutely fine, Mohammad Tariq. Absolutely fine. Great. So the output will come true, right? Output will come true. Understand? Admit. Understand. No problem. Okay. Due to the not operator. So you understand what is or, what is and, what is not. Now there is a huge questions are on the list. You have to try. But before that, we have to solve some important things. Okay. Just give me a moment. Some basic operations we have to do. That we will check in the ideally. So how to move ideally? Just type in the search box ideally. It is opening actually. We are in ideally. Clear? Now. True and true and false. What output will come? Important entrance examination questions we are discussing. Answer will be false. True and false. Any false is there, answer will be false. True and not false. Tell me, what output will
True.
come? Why?
Sir, true.
Which
Sir,
operator?
because not false will become true. So all will be true.
Then all the condition will be true. Absolutely fine. True and true or false?
True.
Why?
Sir, true.
Which
Sir,
operator
because
will
it's
first?
sir, and operator will
Yeah, this one.
execute first.
So true and true is what?
Yes, sir.
True and true is what? True.
True.
And true or
Yes,
false
sir.
is what?
Is
True.
true. Yes, sir.
Great. Great. What output will come?
1.
90% student gets failed to answer this question.
This will show 1, sir.
1. But
Yes,
how?
Sir,
Why?
because 0 is for false and 1 for true. So it's OR operator, I think so. It will print 1.
Okay, okay. That's okay. But there are some another reason behind it that we have to discuss. The reason behind is that if we talk about OR operator, so OR operator check first condition. Whether it's true or false, it doesn't matter for OR. It will definitely check the second condition also. OR operator. The first condition is either true or false, it doesn't matter. The second condition will always check. So the second condition is 0, 1. It will print 1, no problem. Understand? But 0 and 1, what will happen? If the first condition is false in case of AND, point to be noted. In case of AND, if the first condition is false, the second condition will never check. Will never check because there is no need or there is no benefit for checking the second condition. If the first condition is already false, then second condition may be true or false, it doesn't matter. The answer will be 0 only. Are you getting? Are you getting? Are you getting?
Sorry, sir.
What
do you want to say? Do you want to say that this operand works as logic gates, or how does they work? Because if I could see that you said 0 or 1, it's gonna be 1, and then 0 and 1. So do you want to say that it's using an AND gate there and then OR gate there on top? Or how does it operate?
I'm simply saying.
Pardon?
1 second. I'm trying to say in the OR case, in the case of OR, if the first condition is true or false, doesn't matter, the second condition will always check. But in the case of AND, first condition is false, then second condition will never check. If the first condition is false, 0 means false, 1 means true.
Yes. Yes, but people see that, I think maybe it's similar to what I'm talking about when we're using the logic gates, because when we say 0 or 1, that means we are adding those numbers, and then always when you add 0 plus 1 is going to be 1. And then the AND gate is going to be, it's multiplying. So whenever we multiply any number by 0, it's always going to give us 0. So hence I was asking that, are they operate like logic
Yes.
or what?
Yes, I understand.
Oh,
now tell me, What will be the answer of
Thank
this?
you very much. True plus false plus true.
What will be the answer of this?
I
The answer
think
is 4.
the answer is gonna be
4. The answer will be 4.
false. Yes.
All the true values consider as 1.
Okay. Yes.
All the false value consider as 0.
Oh, I get you. I get it. I get it now.
Tell me. Tell me.
The answer will be true. Yeah. The answer will be 1. Oh, the answer will be 1.
What? 1 to the power 1 plus
1.
to the power 0.
Okay. I get it.
1 to the power 0 is 1.
Yes, the answer is gonna be you.
Understand?
Yes.
Last question. Everybody has to reply. Everybody has to reply the last question, very important. Just write down in your copy also. Okay. True plus 5 plus false plus true plus true asterisk 3. What will be the answer? Simple mathematics.
The answer is gonna be 8. The answer is gonna be 8.
8, correct, absolutely correct. No, Manoj Chauhan, you are wrong. Answer will be 8. Okay, can you please tell me which part will be executed first and why? Speed up. Which part will be executed first?
Pardon?
Exponential. Because it has the super preference and power.
Yes.
So first of all, this part will be executed. So 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. That means 1 to the power 3. That means only 1. Okay, fine. Answer this question fast. 2 plus 22 modulus 10 plus 9. Take your own time fast. Time is over. 13.